Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today it's another book review, and this one is about the Swedish Army's Survival Handbook. This book I have read, and I can say it's easy reading. It's explained on a simple way. It's not complicated or anything like that. So that is something I like with it. And the other thing you have in this book, because that is something I really like with this book. And at the end of every chapter, you have these check questions. You can check yourself if you remember how much you remember of what you have been reading. So that means you check yourself to see how much you remember and how much you have learned, which I like. So that is really awesome with this book. And by the way, this chapter is about water purification. And how I find usable and drinkable water. And by the way, how to collect it. And the other thing with this book is the beautiful pictures. Like this one. This is awesome. This is a water filter. Another water filter you have there, which is really awesome. And I know you don't understand what it says, and I can't translate everything because that would take basically forever, and we don't have basically that time. The video would be too long. So, and how to gather plants, and how to prepare and cook plants. And how to dry plants. And there is a lot of information in this. And edible plants and trees. It is really beautiful. This is awesome pictures. Very nice. And it mentions if they are poisonous or what part of the plant is edible or not. Well, you have a lot of plants. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pictures. And it mentioned even also mushrooms, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. No, not strawberries. I'm sorry, raspberries. And it mentions also here how to preserve fish and meat. which is really nice. It mentions wild animals. It mentions worms and insects. And it's two nice photos down there as well. Fishes, birds, and how to field dressing a moose. It mentions the nutritional value in plants, which is good, and nutritional value in wild animals. So that is awesome. And we have this again. Check yourself. So I'm happy with this. It mentions hunting and fishing. Snares. How to make a snare. Snare for a squirrel. And fishing with nets, and how to make nets, and how to fish with nets when at winter time when the ice, or how to fish with nets under the ice. And it has a lot of good information, and one chapter about how to move and orientation, navigation. Which is really awesome, actually. How to navigate at night, stars, how to use the stars. So it's really, and this is about shelter. In another type of shelters. And here is another one for more of a stationary situation. Well, there is, and these is another type of shelters, which is really nice too. Beautiful pictures. How to build a igloo. And it is, as I said, it's a lot of information. one chapter about fire. Sorry about that, by the way. Yeah, how to choose wood. And here we have actually an example of different types of fires. Different types. And well, it's a well, and well, this is a part about hygiene, how to take care of yourself, and how you prevent injuries. It is about personal hygiene, adapt your clothing, how to take care of your teeth, how to take care of your feet, and how to take care of your clothes on a proper way. You can use your backpack as to wash your clothes. And one chapter, if you turn sick or injured, if you get sick or injured, plants as an alternative for medical equipment, medical material. Well, it's a lot of information in this book. Actually, medicinal plants. Actually, so that is a lot of useful information. And as always, check yourself again, which is really nice. And this with the exclamation mark, it says you should never ignore small cuts, which is really nice. So that's it. That's it for this book and book review. And well, guys, I can tell you, this book, I bought this when I got out of the military, and I ordered this and I got it. But today you can't find this book anywhere. I have seen this book online as a PDF file, not a physical book, which is really sad. So this book is one of my crown jewels in my prepper library. So this is a really good book to have. So if you can get a military survival handbook, it is great. These are not that bad, actually. It's a different type of survival. The military survival handbook doesn't say that you should be found or want to be found. The military survival are more like you should survive and stay low and keep a low profile. That is the point with a military survival. So it is a difference between military survival and civilian survival situations. Because military survival, you don't want to be found. You have to manage by yourself and your group or platoon. You want to be avoid to be spotted. But for civilians, you want to be found. So it's different rules between civilian and military survival. But this book is handy to have, and the information in here, you can learn a lot of it. But it was a long time ago I read this one. But anyway, I have good enough information to know what I'm talking about this book especially. And well, I bought this for my own money, and I'm not sponsored by the Swedish army or something, or those who created this book. No, I just do it for you guys, and because I just wanted to share it with you. Okay, guys, thank you for your support, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you're new here to my channel, you're very welcome. I appreciate every one of you, and I will see you in the next one. Shadow Scout Swede, out.